Bath time, kids! No, I don't want a bath! Do we have to wash it? Oh, wow! We have bath escapers. Hey, Lola! Kids, listen to me. When we play outside, tiny dirt and germs stay on our skin. And if we don't wash, our bodies can feel itchy and uncomfortable. But baths are boring. Science time! It's science time! Oh, no. Tiny germs are so small, we can't see them. But soap and water wash them all away. Whoosh, whoosh. What if bath time becomes playtime? Babble? And toys? Yes, and wearing towels after. Okay, maybe one little bath.
Yay!
Bath time is really funny. Okay, now I feel much better. And fluffy. Bun bun! Taking care of our bodies help us stay healthy and happy. Now, Stella, it's our turn to have a bath. Clean body, happy family. Like and subscribe for more stories.